my name is Mait Neumann. I am project manager at Azortum, and welcome to the most advanced sorting facility in Baltics.
Ecoservice is the leading waste management company in Lithuania, and this is their new packaging waste sorting plant in Vilnius. On top of recycling packaging waste for the whole country, Ecoservice also undertakes the collection, transportation, and processing of multiple other waste streams like municipal, construction, and bulky waste. They also offer city cleaning and street maintenance services. Ecoservice's previous packaging waste sorting line was unfortunately destroyed in a fire 2023, after which Ecoservice set in motion a plan to rebuild the facility in just 18 months. That new facility is now ready, with its new line designed to increase the plant's work efficiency by 1.5 times. The modern technologies used throughout the facility will improve the packaging waste sorting capabilities of the country, while also increasing the quality of recycled raw materials. This will ensure a more sustainable future for everyone.
What makes it so advanced is that we've managed to combine here almost all modern packaging waste sorting applications. For example, optical sorters, eddy current separators, magnet separators, and so on and so on. The input of the line is household packaging waste from Vilnius region, and we sort it into 10 different material types. This line is designed to handle 12 tons packaging waste per hour. Currently, we are in the end of testing phase. We are entering to the trial run next week. Building something so big with such a limited time requires, let's say, perfect cooperation between customer and plant builder.
My name is and I'm working for Ecoservice as a technical manager. What we liked in working with Azortum is like the approach, what we received from Azortum, and especially in technological aspects of all this project. They've been listening to our needs, what we've been saying, so they come with probably one of the best solutions, and at the end we can see that it was the best solution, and they gave very good quality for the money. Especially with this project, we had as a company, Ecoservice, we have a very clear vision, and what we wanted, how we wanted to sort all the material. So Azortum heard and fully fulfilled all our requirements for this project.
One of the main requirements of this project was to fit the new line, with all its modern equipment, in the existing space. The ongoing construction of the building itself presented a few challenges for installation as well.
The biggest challenge in the engineering, let's say, phase was that we had to design it to the already existing facility.
We couldn't go any wider, longer or higher, so that was a bit challenging, which I think Azortum team done a very good job.
Because of the strict deadline for the completion of the project, we had to divide the engineering part into different smaller pieces. We started the installation before the engineering was completed.
During the installation, we had quite a few challenges because the construction side of this project was in front of the installation of technology, and challenges like installing of a drum screen through the half installed roof, and to try to fit it with just a few centimeters on the side.
Azortum managed to combine different kinds of waste sorting applications together into one limited space. It is estimated that Ecoservice will now be able to recover up to 20% more raw materials from the same amount of waste. At the same time, the nature of work has also changed. Manual sorting has been largely automated, and workers now focus on quality control at the end of the line. To reduce fire risks, the plant is equipped with outstanding fire detection and suppression systems. Despite the strict and high requirements set by the customer, the project was executed smoothly. Ecoservice had a clear vision from the very beginning. Their strong involvement and support played a key role in making the collaboration as efficient as possible.
Working with Azortum was, I can even call it quite good and easy, because whole team was really into the project. I can definitely say everyone was trying their best to run this project on time, and from the start, from the installation, from the work with all the engineering team, going to the installation point, and now to the testing what we have, I can really say that Azortum is a team of professionals.